Why, hello there, younglings. I didn't see you there. I was just reading this journal that I wrote a long time ago. Excuse me, smoking. Let me tell you about my long lost conjoined twin.
Once upon a time, about 80 years ago, there were born two brothers. Now these were no ordinary brothers, for they were born as conjoined twins. In this skit, you will get to experience the story of their lives firsthand as they struggle to live and get along with each other, and how eventually they were separated. Let's go back in history to the very day they were born.
All right, Mrs. Bird. You know what time it is. We're gonna go for it, all right? So everyone, we're gonna go. And set. Push! Push! Oh my, oh, look at that. It's so boring. Oh, what? There's two boys. What? They're conjoining? Hey, congratulations, Miss Bird. You got twins.
And so the conjoined twins were born. Growing up, they learned how to walk, talk, and play just like all the other kids. However, sometimes the other children didn't understand that they were special and chose to make fun of them instead. Being the close brothers that they were, they always stood up for each other through thick and thin.
Hey, losers! Hey, you know why the conjoined twins moved to England?
What?
Well, so the other could learn how to drive. So, yeah, dude.
Yes.
So time went by, and before they knew it, the twins were thrown into the wonderful world of high school. Trying to go with the flow, they attempted sports such as football, basketball, and soccer. However, being conjoined had its downfalls, and the twins were not successful in their pursuit of sports. Nevertheless, they had matured into devilishly handsome young men, and the ladies, despite the twins' disfigured form, swooned over them. For their faces were like those of an angel. And before they knew it, they were on a date to a movie theater with two sisters who also happened to be twins.
Getting really good at this. think she has the hots for me. Should I go in for the kill? Dude, you got this, man.
That's disgusting! I'm out of here!
So as the saying goes, looks aren't always everything, as the twins discovered on that extremely awkward date. That day they lost their virginity, I mean dignity, but nevertheless they still had their passion for camping. One cool fall eve, the twins decided to go camping in the Yellowstone Park and were sitting by a campfire. By this time they were adults and were taking leave of vacation from their jobs as fry cooks at Wendy's. Little did they know on this day, their lives would change forever.
Alright. How much wood can a woodcutter cut? Woodcutter can cut wood. How much wood can a woodcutter cut? Woodcutter can cut wood. How much wood can a woodcutter cut?
Dude, I gotta poop. Dude, I know, I just think butt. Let's go.
Are you alright? Hey! Do I need to call an ambulance?
My wife, I'm great.
What?
I can finally play football. I can take a shower by myself. I can take the trip to New Zealand I've always wanted to take. I can go on a one-on-one date.
Okay. Yeah.
We can get married. I still gotta go poop.
And so our story ends. This is the story of the twins that live on 4 West Carlson, brothers to 3 South Miller. Maybe someday they'll get married and have a family of their own, leading separate lives, but for now they're enjoying life as 2 normal twin brothers here at the wonderful university known as NCU. The end.